letter has been added. 4. A different logo has been added. 5. This time we have a different color. Band text. 8. We have a EUP Kids fan letter has been added. We have a Super Mario Brothers. 12. We have a different symbol has been added. Band text. 13. Chinese letter still hated and is overflowed. 14. This time we have 15. We have a BFDI character in BFDI character still hated. 7. There's a Tiny Toon Adventures character in it is next to the band text. 18. A different group has been added to the band text. We have a different Russian letter. We have different letter has been added to the band text and is overflated. 21. And the E-Taste logo is here. Be added to the band text. 22. We made a glitch blooper. Here has been added. 25. A different logo still hated. 26. Focus KIDNS is here. 27. We have a second Mario Party number still hated. 28. We have a Mario Party number still hated. 29. The SID logo is here. 30. We have a TVO. 31. A line is on studio. No. This time we made 31. My. Extreme. God. We made a random bloopers, but I know. 1. We made a background blooper. 2. We made a language blooper. 3. There has been added. 4. This time we have a different color has been added. 6. 7. We made a fan language blooper on the band. We have a Yamaha here. We have a EUP Kids letter has been added. We have a Super Mario Brothers character still hated. 11. Text. 12. We have a symbol has been added to the text. 13. We have a Chinese letter still here is overflated. 14. This time we have a Super Mario Brothers character here has been added. 15. This time we have a BFDI character still hated. 17. There's a Tiny Toon Adventures character in here but is next to the band text. 18. A different Greek letter has been added to the band text. 19. Different Russian letter has been added to the band text. 20. We have different letter has been added to the band text. 21. This time the E-Taste logo is here to the band text. 22. We made a 23. A Tiny Toon Adventures character. 24. This time we have a character in here has been added. 25. A different logo still hated. 26. Focus KIDNS is here. 27. Second Mario Party number still hated. 28. We have a Mario Party. SID logo is here. 30. We have a TVO text letter still hated. Line is on studio. Oh, I know. Last time we made 31 bloopers at once. My. Extreme. God. No. Cut, and again, and again. Random bloopers, but I know. 1. We made a background color blooper. 2. We made a fan language blooper. 3. We have a different letter has been added. 4. A different logo has been added. 5. This time we have a different country has been added. 6. A Russian letter has been added and is overlaid. 7. We made a fan language blooper on the band text. 8. We have a Yamaha here. 9. We have a EUP Kids fan letter has been added. 10. We have a Mario Brothers 3 bosses characters. 11. We have a different number has been added in the band text. 12. We have a different band text. 13. We have a Chinese letter still translated. 14. This time we have a character in here has been added. 15. Time we have a BFDI character in here. We have a BFDI character still hated. 17. There's a Tiny Toon Adventures character here, but is next to the band text.